Hey guys, Mitch with Countertops. We have a real cool piece for you today. We're doing an earth tone metallic piece. 2 metallic colors, coffee, clay. Going in our Countertop epoxy, we're gonna fog on a little black Rust-Oleum spray paint, open it up, fracture it with a little deep silver metallic mixed into 91% isopropyl alcohol. Let's do this.
Remember, when you subscribe to our channel, click on the red subscribe button and be sure to ring the bell so you get notified every time we have a new video. Thanks again.
So you're gonna wanna mix for 2 minutes, paddle mixer and a drill. Hold the bucket or you'll be wearing the epoxy. So we're gonna pre-fog the edges of our countertop with a little black Rust-Oleum gloss spray paint. That'll just give us a little bit of visual interest on those edges. All right, we're gonna take our mixed countertop epoxy and divide it up into 2 cups here. Don't be alarmed if that epoxy turns white while mixing. All that is air getting entrained while mixing. The torch eliminates it really fast. In 1 goes the coffee. A little goes a long way. Clay, the unsung hero of the metallic world.
Oh, that looks nice.
Yeah, it does. All right, we have our mixed coffee, our mixed clay, and all we're gonna do is randomly apply these to the board, get our chop brush, meld them together, torch the air out, check it out. Check that out. That is cool. All right, the epoxy's out of the cups. Get our chop brush. Do not forget to de-shed it, meaning just pull on the edge, pull on those bristles, make sure they come out. Any loose ones, that one's good to go. I'm gonna dip my brush in a little bit of this epoxy just to prime it up. Take the brush now and chop away. Mix and meld those 2 epoxies together on the surface. What I'm doing now is pretty much just touching my brush in any dry spots, breaking up that surface tension, allowing that epoxy to self-level and flow with no restrictions. Take some of that and hit your edges. Here we go. Pro tip, so do not over chop your piece with those 2 metallic colors. They'll become 1 color. So mix and meld the way you want it, torch it, and let it sit. All right, guys, we're gonna fog on a little black Rust-Oleum spray paint and quickly mist with a metallic powder of your choice in 91% isopropyl alcohol. Today, we're gonna use deep silver. Let's do this. That kind of cool. What I don't like is those little squiggly lines, so I'm gonna use the torch and try to eliminate that. We're gonna let this sit for about 20 minutes now. We're gonna let that epoxy get a little more thick, gel up a little, and then we're gonna drag a glove. All right, it's been about 20-25 minutes. We're gonna take this expensive tool, drag it across there, add some striated lines, level this piece up just a little bit. It's looking pretty cool. It adds depth, man. It makes that epoxy look thick. Wow. I don't know, man. I think I'm gonna leave it be there. I don't want to do it too much. Fixed it! I like that. Glove it, guys. So I waited 25 minutes, drag a glove, walk away, we're done. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video as much as I did, crush the like button. And until next time, from Countertop, you got this.
Visit stonecoatcountertops.com to see all the products used in this video.